The surprise note. The great thing about the cello is that it's all outside, and so you can land somewhere like a little butterfly coming in to smell a flower and be surprised about what note is going to be there. Fly to another destination. There are no wrong sounds, no wrong notes, just an exploration of surprise notes. This is a wonderful way to practice moving around the cello in a relaxed way. And listen to the melody that emerges. It'll never be the same melody twice. Make sure to follow me here for more bite-sized cello hacks.